My name is Shaykhova Venera. I'm from Karmakshi. I live in Aktubek village. My school number 109. I am an English teacher. These are my students. My students very kind and clever. Now students, all of you stand up. All of you stand up. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Now, dear students, I want to introduce. Now, the first, come here. Come here. All of you, come here. Stand in a circle. Stand in a circle. Stand in a circle. Stand in a circle. Okay. Stand in a circle. Good wishes. Жақсы тілектерімізді тілеуіміз керек, иә? Have a nice day. Once more.
Have a nice day.
Once more.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Now, dear students, I want divide you into two groups. Now, please say day, night. Day, night, please.
Day, night. Day, night.
Day.
Night.
Mhm.
Day, night. Day, night.
Day.
Night. Day, night. Day, night. Day, night.
Mhm. Now, the first day. Go to the first group. Day. Right your right hands. Day. Mhm. Now you must go the first group. You must go the first group. Day. Now go. Take your seats, please. Take your seats, please. Go to the first group. Mhm. Now night. Go to the second group. Night. Now all of you listen to me. Now dear students, look at your group's name, day and then night. Now the first group, what do you think when you hear the word day? Now please, Nazirti, what do you think?
Light, sun, warm, play,
Mhm.
listen.
Then, that's right, thank you. Now, Gülüm, what do you think about day?